5. Absorption and adsorption. Absorption is a process in which a substance takes up another substance, such as blotting paper, solid, absorbing water, a liquid. Or adsorption and absorption are two different things. Absorption is the chemical integration of one chemical into another. When you drink a glass of water, you are absorbing it, as the water becomes part of you. Adsorption. Adsorption is a process in which a substance adheres to the surface of another substance. Adsorption is important in some types of catalysis, notably where gases adsorb on metal surfaces. The reaction is then made easier by a consequent lowering of activation energy. Or adsorption occurs when one substance holds another via physical bonds. If you spill a glass of water on your shirt, it is adsorbed as the fibers will hold the water until heat dries out the shirt.